Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Planet Fitness membership, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Planet Fitness membership, start by locating your membership agreement. Review the terms of your membership for cancellation policies and any fees that may apply. Visit the Planet Fitness website and log into your account. If you signed up using a mobile app, access your account through the app. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section. Look for the option to cancel your membership. If you cannot find the cancellation option online, prepare to visit your local gym. Gather personal identification such as your driver's license or ID card. Visit the Planet Fitness location where you signed up for your membership. Speak with a staff member at the front desk and request to cancel your membership. Be prepared to provide your membership details and identification. Ask for confirmation of your cancellation before leaving the gym. Request a cancellation receipt for your records. If you're on a month-to-month plan, ensure that you cancel before the next billing cycle. If you signed a contract, verify if any early termination fees apply. Keep a copy of all correspondence regarding your cancellation. Confirm that your membership has been canceled by checking your bank statements in the following month. If you have any difficulties during the process, consider reaching out to Planet. Stay informed about any further actions you may need to take to complete the cancellation. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth cancellation experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.